Welcome to a day in the life of a Masters in Engineering student. I start off my day with my morning routine to energize myself for the day ahead as I start by heading down to the Cardiff racing paddock. Today we are changing the rear sprocket of our Formula Student car along with the rest of the team to make sure it is prepped for our next test session coming up. After that, I head to my automotive design class with Jack to learn more about how to build a good race car based on advanced engineering design principles. In the afternoon, it is time for my mechatronics meeting in the library spaces on designing a portable star tracker, followed by my accumulator design project discussing plans for the new Cardiff racing car. After a good day, I love to eat some dinner while watching one of my all-time favorites, Suits. I head down to say hi to my girlfriend before heading out for futsal practice at the Cardiff City House of Sport. Here, I train as a member of Cardiff University Futsal Club to compete in box and the National Welsh Cup. After a good day, I wind down before heading to bed to recharge for another exciting day tomorrow.